Hi guys, welcome back. So today I wanted to do something that Julie did on her video. I want to try to get some pearls. So I'm using a metallic gold. I'm not sure if it's gonna be the right one, but we're just gonna see, just gonna try. And I'm using a cake board as my canvas today. I saw AB Creations do it on her channel, and I thought, you know what? They're cheap, they're pretty easy to find. Why not? I saw Julie put it in the middle, but because my paint is kind of thick and I didn't want to water it down, I'm putting it in the spots where I like to get my pearls, and that's on the sides. So hopefully that, it's a little bit slippery today. Hopefully that will prevent my pearls from coming into the design too much, because that's what I saw in previous videos, is that the pearls tend to come up into the center, and I don't want it. I just want them on the outside. So that's why I'm putting the gold paint just on the outside. And I'm going to use my split cup, and I'm going to use quite similar colors as Julie because I thought they were absolutely gorgeous. So why not, you know, use a good idea if you like it. I taped the cups to my cake board with just some double-sided tape, because it's really thin, so I'm not able to put my push pins under it. And I still want to be able to pick it up and move it and not have it sitting on my turntable. So hopefully we can make sure that the cardboard underneath doesn't get too wet. So the paper on the top of the cake board won't lift. But the underside is just normal cardboard. That's why I was able to stick my little cups to it with some double-sided tape. Okay, so I'm putting black first. Then I'm putting a dark purple and the second one. I'm hoping I made enough. I mixed grayish blue just to give it a little bit more contrast with the other purple. I don't know if it's gonna pop up anyways, because the colors in the two middle sides tend to not show up as much in your pour as the two outside ones. So make sure the ones you want to have show dominance, put them on the outside. So I really want the black to be dominant, and I've got a lilac I want to have on the other side. So this is my lilac. Looks like it's a bit thinner than the rest. It used to be hanging from my chandelier, but I ended up bumping my head into it too much. So I decided to switch it up, and now you're on my lamp. It's a little bit too slippery on the table. So I'm gonna pick it up, and I'm just gonna tilt it. Maybe I should torch it a little bit. Okay, I see some tiny dots. But I think there's still too much paint on these edges. So I'm getting some gold popping up here. I'm gonna leave it and hope my pearls grow. But otherwise it's still gonna be pretty because I really like the color combination. I like it being on a round. So I'll see you in a bit. So this is what we gotten. But I really wanted to get some of the gold up, so I'm gonna cheat a little bit and use some silicone. I'm just poking it with my needle. I'm gonna show you how. Just the tiniest amount and just poke, poke, poke. And see them grow. So I'm gonna be poking my painting a little bit more and I will show you the finished results. Bye.